Hi, I'm John from Promove Bangkok and welcome back for another property tour. Today we are very pleased to show you this newly renovated detached house for rent on Pahol, Soi 9 in the Ari neighbourhood. This property is a suitable family home and can also be used as a home office, spreading over 109 square meters on the inside and a usable outdoor space of about 400 square meters. This modern style house with 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms is ideal for young sharers or a family in their neighbourhoods. The open and flexible layout design with unblocked greenery and city view really is a modern style property which is quite unique to the area. We start with the outside of the property, and the wraparound tiled finish shows you just how much outdoor play area there really is. This is ideal for anybody with any pets or family who require that outdoor space. As you'll notice, it's been renovated to a very high degree, with the quality and attention to detail exquisite. The courtyard is so well designed, with enough parking for at least 4 cars, with 2 green patches either side with real grass really does give some colour to the property and finish off the overall look. Through the main entrance we enter through into a large open plan home office or front end living room. It's connected to a pantry which is fully equipped and has plenty of windows allowing in lots of natural light. There's also a door leading out to the outside from the side of the property. As you can tell, there's plenty of space should you wish to turn this into an open plan dining living area, or if you wanted to keep it as more of a front end home office. Each room has carefully added additional doors for access to the outside and allowing in lots of fresh air. The house can come unfurnished, partially furnished or fully furnished depending on negotiation. We then lead into the corner of the room with the open plan pantry, ideal for vegetable prep or home cooking. There's a fridge freezer, a wash basin and plenty of storage, and of course a window allowing in that extra additional natural light. With the staircase on the left hand side, which we will return to later, we then lead through into a renovated, modern, Western style, fully equipped kitchen with built-in oven, 4-headed electrical hot plate, wash basin, large fridge freezer and abundance of cupboard space, allowing plenty of food storage. This house really is a home chef's dream as we now lead into the Thai kitchen aspect of the property. This is located just to the right and has a door that will shut off any of that smoke or unwanted necessary aromas leading into the main house. You'll notice there's 2 doors either side so you can get a natural breeze through, allowing in not only natural light but fresh air and once again taking out the smoke out of the main end of the property. With a wash basin and a 2-headed gas stove, it's ideal for a home cook. And through the door in the kitchen, we lead into the back end of the property, which once again, depending on your use of the house, can be used as a living area or a lounge, a pool room or a games room, or could even be considered the home office part of the property. With its very own bathroom with a stand-up shower, a really nice modern tile finish, toilet basin, it really is ideal for locking off from the other side of the house and giving you a bit of privacy. The house has its very own utility room with a washing machine, a dryer and abundance of storage space just to put away all those bits and bobs. It also has a door leading to the outside. A true feature of this renovated property is its glass sliding conservatory style doors, which really opens up onto the patio. If you wanted to have a picnic or an outdoor barbecue perhaps, it's a very social part of the house. There's plenty of natural light and plenty of space. So if you were hosting or having anybody over in the garden, it really is such a great space. As we come back into the property, on the left hand side you'll notice the fourth of the bedrooms. It's the smallest of the rooms, but it's still a decent double bedroom with space for a king size mattress and a cupboard. It also has its very own ensuite bathroom, which once again has been renovated and tiled to a very high finish, with a stand-up shower, toilet and wash basin. This room at the back of the house is ideal as a guest bedroom or even for the home office, perhaps if you're working late and just need a place to crash after a long day at work in the office. We now leave the downstairs and make our way to the second floor, where there's a further 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms waiting for us, with a nice open landing space, with 2 bedrooms on the right and the master bedroom on the left. We begin with the 3rd bedroom, and once again it's a spacious double. The bedroom boasts lots of natural light and could easily fit a king-size bed and a wardrobe. The 2nd bedroom again is a spacious large double with lots of windows allowing in again lots of natural light, with plenty of space for a king-size mattress and abundance of wardrobe space. It also has its very own large balcony which looks over a green finish and the front of the property. It's actually a beautiful view of the north of Ari in the distance. Like the other bathrooms in the property, this guest bathroom does not disappoint, with a lovely tile finish, stand-up shower and a real tasteful design. We now lead into the largest of the bedrooms, which is the master room, with once again a big, bright open entrance and abundance of space for a large king-size bed with mattress and storage wardrobes. It again has its very own large balcony with unblocked green views of Ari in the distance and the south. It is absolutely stunning. There's plenty of space for a coffee table and chairs, and would be ideal for a nice beer in the evening or a coffee in the morning. We say it all the time, but no master bedroom is complete without an ensuite. And again, this tastefully finished bathroom stands up to the same quality as the rest of the property. Located on Pahol Soi 9 and close to the shopping centres, Ari BTS and international schools, this property is ideal for young families or anyone wanting to make use of that additional space in the back for a home office. So if you're looking for a modern, renovated, large 4-bedroom property in Ari, which is different to many of the other traditional style properties in the area, then look no further than this property on Soi 9. It really is an ideal fit for anyone looking to live in the area and needs that additional space. Please feel free to contact us at 0907276508 or at www.promovebangkok.com to arrange a viewing on this property or any others that might take of interest.